This is a practical course, meaning that you will learn pen testing skills which you are looking for with hands-on exercises. But before doing anything for those exercises, let's think for a moment. We are going to scan for the vulnerabilities and exploit them, right? But how can we do it if we don't have required systems like an attacking environment and vulnerable systems? How can we set them up so that systems operate as if they were deployed in a real production environment? And how can we create an environment without creating a security issue on our systems? Well, the answer is a virtual lab environment. In this section, you will be setting up your lab and get ready for action. The good side of this part is, when you have successfully completed the steps I will walk you through, you will have a cybersecurity lab for your future, for your real-world tasks too. That's why this section is very important, since you are going to use these systems throughout the course and complete the exercises with me.